My people, how una dey? We for TMC TV, we don still carry our car come give una latest again o. Right now we dey for front of ring road. Na sabi say election wey we do few days ago, many people dey not come out. So we wan come find out from their mouth wetin make people not come out. Make una join us.
The election wey you talk come, mama, I'm not sure say you wan really dey hear wetin dey inside people heart. Because if you wan hear wetin dey inside people heart, even you go tire. We had hope that this election particularly was supposed to change the aspiration of the unborn children and the youth, because the old men, they already make up their mind on what they want and they are not ready to change from it. Shey February 25th, they come feel say most of the things na own video. Governorship election and House of Assembly is revealing all things now. And even them themselves come with dey complain. We shock say Oshomole yesterday they complain. He say they rig a fully unit. Even Amechi they complain. Amechi say they rig River State and a lot of evidence. So I don't really know the point where you say make I talk on. Whether na me accept am or I not accept am, wetin I see about am, the whole thing na sham. E not sham, S-H-A-M, e not clear. The thing be like wuru for her, e not clear. The election not clear. It was supposed to be credible, free and fair. But we never feel on that line where we don't really see credible, free and fair completely. Although humans are imperfect, but we never see where they already say credible, free and fair completely. Although some places you can still underline, okay, be like not be like this. But the much of the ones where not they credible, where not they free, where not they fair, na in many pass. Like this woman where win for Adamawa Benini, you know say she go rig. The people came out, the women were much, they voted for her. Even marking day for yourself, people they rejoice this morning, they voted for her. But like Lagos now, we shock say yesterday, I be there first day now, they even call key goats for daytime. They beg the gods. After they beg the gods, they enter streets. The gods not get hand and leg. Now they can't even go see they have the gods, they do violence till they do the election. So we not really understand. Mama, the election is not clear, is not fair, is a sham.
If we want to talk, say make we compare February 25th presidential election, the turnover to this last Saturday own where it happened on the 19th of March. The turnover was very low for this previous election of last week, because that 25th February own, the massive rigging, you know, get part 2. They don't rape us before, so many people just did discouraged to come out again and not be their fault. Why you go to waste your efforts to come out vote when you know say your vote no count? It don't make sense now. You self, may you check them. Nigeria, we notice one thing: no be election we they do na selection. Selection in the sense that before they even do the election, they already make up their mind on who they want give the mandate to. And that one no fit make us progress. We no fit move forward as a nation like that. Because if we go move forward, the masses voice now is supposed to be relevant and is supposed to be very, very important to make the right decisions. But when you take away our mandate from us, you take away the power we get to make the right decisions as a nation, then what is the point for us to come out to waste our time they vote? I not tell you lie, on Saturday I dey house they sleep. In fact, I dey relax. I calm down my nerves, I dey enjoy myself. Because why go come out on that hot sun, can't waste my time again? When February 25th on, we waste our efforts. At the end of the day, they massively rig the election. It don't make sense. I beg Nigeria, make our leaders they try. Their corruption too much, and they don't get conscience. But make them not forget say that them and their children go suffer this one. God not they sleep.
This election, this last one will happen, so people not turn up because they lost faith. The first one will happen, everybody come out with their mind. You understand? At the end of the day, like say my mind when I take come out, stay for sun throughout the day. Some polling votes like my own, for instance, they scatter them. And then so for me to now go back to this second one, I don't lose hope. That makes you see this time around the thing they low well if you compare to that one. But yeah, to from other most places, it cool. Like where I do my own, they not fight, they not do what they do the last one. But people don't come out because people fear. After that fear, now people not come outside. But at the end of the day, everything they okay.
With this now, I think our leaders, the so-called leaders, may they take peace, they pay us back, because God Himself created especially Nigeria with peace. And I'm still saying it before God and His angel, as many that is against the peace of Nigeria, I don't know, it's only God that will judge them. If not for the intervention of especially our mother, Iye Moya, that always pray for the land that peace should reign by the day, by the night. I wonder how the Nigeria could have been by now. They should pay us by peace, because Nigeria was created peacefully. You can imagine the way things are now. People with their money buy money. Is it supposed to be so? It's not supposed to be so because of bad leaders. See what we are experiencing today.
From the way we see compared to the governorship election of the 25th of February, there is a low turnout. Well, the wish of the people were not totally expressed and so many people were disappointed. I think that is the reason for the low turnout. And I don't think people want to come and stay inside the rain or stay for rain, stay for sun, and on the long run their vote not go count. Now so I see them.
As far as the election concerned, the former, that was the governorship election, that one people come out well. But this last one where we go, so the unit we are for votes, and that was unit 12. They were the queue was very small. I mean, there was no big queue. I mean, plenty people not come. Has at the other
people, what do you make you say make people not just come out for that?
Some people were as they say they not fit come again. Why don't come after all the first vote where they vote for governorship? They not bring out the real true message. Say people where they vote for not supposed to win, and then supposed to win, but they not talk the truth. You know, most people talk say then vote for so party, that party vote for her. In short, the queue from here long go reach Satana Market. But after the whole exercise now, they not talk say that particular candidate to win. So most of them say they were at lost. Some said they are not happy. Some say they not like what happened. I mean they not come out. They say I mean they not come out. So I asked why now? Say no, you know they come out for waiting now. You go sit down for some candidate when you vote for. They say not being win. So you know they feel come out. You know they come out again.
Concerning the election we hold for Nigeria as a whole, concerning the House of Assembly election, I'll start from Edo State. Edo State was quite fair because we not see that fight here and there. Although we encountered that kind of thing the last election, but this one it was a bit calm. We not record too much violence. But in case of Lagos State, from what happened for Lagos State, I go say election not happen for Lagos State. Now what they want, now they fabricate because they not let people vote. Those who won't vote, where they know say not be them, they won't vote for, they make sure say they stop all of them, destroy, cause crisis. Because overnight, they don't do what they want to do. So election no hold for Lagos State. Now just INEC business that they fabricate what they do for that side. But for Edo State, at least, we still try small. But I still encourage, make the politicians go there, so make them remember, say, we don't reach the era where election don't be politics powered by the electorate. It's not like your money no matter again because we have been pained. We don't suffer too much. We want a change. And that change, no matter the money we get, we go suffer and last us. No matter you oppress a man, you go bring out the inner will at the time of pain. That is why the parable talks say if you pursue go reach war, you go raise the head. So now my take with that. But for Lagos State, they know they hide them, nothing to fear. Lagos State election, no, they are waiting happen for presidential election, now they still do so. But one day, the day go break where those ways they say be God, they say they be God for Lagos. God go show them say they not be God.
This election where they do last, now be the worst election where Nigeria don't experience. If you watch now, you will see some people no come out vote because the one where we vote, they no give us. So now make everybody their house. Because the presidential election what they do. They rob us now. If you watch, the people will win, they no carry and give her. So they don't get people where be say then they put it there by themselves. So now make everybody there say they know they come out, come vote. Our vote no they can't.
February 25th, e good, they okay. Everybody come out with votes. Me self, I come out, I vote. This one, nobody come because if I come and go vote, they not go count my votes. So now it make me not go.
This election what they do so, we see I say do the election. But for me I know say now, Mago day, the election not dey street. So that was me I see for side that one.
As they do them, we not like them because they say when we come out, come vote. Say when we bring our person, all of us come out in mass. And when we come out, they not come give our person. They let us come out, come years for inside field. After them beat us finish, they can't say when we mumu go back and we mumu. They can't select who they like. So we not like it. That's why we not come out for this second one.
Last election, last month 25, the presidential election. People come out in masses for this Benin to vote in a Labour Party. People come out, but people try to vote to finish the vote. Even Mahmood, that is the INEC chairman. Nobody see where he keep the result. That's why if you check this last election now, that's why people no come out because of people dey vex. People dey vex. That's why people no come out. If you watch road that day, everywhere dey dry. Even street, people dey play ball for street. That's why people no come out. More na help us and ask Mahmoud the way he keep with the presidential election this thing. Make he come, make he bring the result because of people dey vex. No be wetin Nigeria youth want na Mahmoud to give people because of na the thing wey Nigeria dey dodge. You say they no want the all those men wey don old. Na Mahmoud, especially Mahmoud, INEC chairman, na the same thing he come carry give Nigeria.
The election, e no straight. They do am Benny. Normal guy no support to enter. No do am may enter. They had turn the election upside down.
My country people, as you see us now, we don't come out for ring gold. We don't see carry matter enter inside New Benin market. People don't talk why people not come out, come vote. Now don't you say don't talk say na fear na make they not come vote. Some say they snatch ballot boxes. Some say who they vote for not being win. And they say that they fear may they not go die before their time. Now make they not come out, come vote. But not forget say it not good for our country Nigeria. Where we say shooting is not supposed to dey to experience for inside the election. Now peace now we want make it reign. Those where they don't vote in make them work well so that everywhere go steadily wherever. I be your country sister from TMC TV News, Omo Ikayere.